Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to tag a friend in a comment in TikTok. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the TikTok app. Once you open the TikTok app, you will see the comment icon at the right side of the screen. Tap on it, and it will take you to the comment page of the user. You can see the add comment option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. Now, tap on the @ sign, or you can just type @ Then, choose the user you want to mention, or just type the username. Once you add a user you wanted to mention, tap on the upward facing arrow, and you will successfully tag a friend in a comment in TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to tag a friend in a comment on TikTok. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button to our video and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.